Hello guys, today we are going to do poetry lab and we are going to do 3 categories: text, effects and sprites. So first in text we have set title, set authors, add line, animate text, and this block which we put here. If we remove this one, we can have this one over here like this. So today we can make an Eid card. E Eid Mubarak. Then you can write any line over here. I am not writing any line. So then we have animate text. We can put it here. Then we will go in effects here. It has purple blocks. Here is set font. Let's see what set font does. So this is the font of the text. You can add any font you want. Handwriting. I am choosing handwriting. Or Courier is well. Now, if you're making it a little rush-like thing, so you can make it bold like this or this. So now we have set text color. We don't want any color. If you want, you can take. Let's take this color. We can add this set text effect. We can put it here and fade. There are so many: fly from left, fly from right, fly from top, fly from bottom, and typewriter. Fade. Let's see. Check fade. Like this. It will appear like this. Then we have add text highlight. Let's see if it does something. Let's remove this. Or it is not working. So we don't want a rush over here on our workspace. So we are going to delete it. Then we have play sound. You can play music or play sound. Let's play music. You have bright, calm, campfire, drizzle, far side, forest, harps, haunted, hum, mission, night, ocean, rainy, rainforest, riding, sleepy, slow, rainfall. Let's choose harps. Then let's see down. Now we have an effect, do rain effect. Let's check our project. Then if you want bubbles, starbursts, shattering glass twinkle, here's a bubble effect. I think bubbles is that. Then we have here set frame. You can choose any frame you want. I am choosing stars. because it is an Eid card, so I'm choosing stars, it suits it. Then we have set background to, this looks a bit not suiting it, so we will not use that. This is set background to, and set background to, this is the background effect and this is the background. You can choose one. You can choose set background to if you want a background, not any effect on the background. You can choose set background to. These are all the backgrounds. Here you can go on backgrounds. So here are some more backgrounds over here. New backgrounds. These backgrounds. You can choose any from here, any background. And if you want to upload any image from your computer which you have downloaded, you can upload it from here. And if you want to draw your own background, you can draw it from here. So we don't want any background, we want a background effect. You can choose any effect. Bubbles, I think it suits it here. This is a bubble effect and bubble effect, it will be right. And we can choose ocean here, or summer, spring, winter, anyone. I'm choosing summer. That it will show like that now. Then the effects is over. Now we have here sprites. This is a make new sprite at here. If you want to set its position, you will click this thing like it's a torch. You will click here, and then wherever you point your mouse, it will go there. You want it in the middle, you can put it in here, anywhere you want. If you want your own character, you can go in costumes, new costumes. Here are categories of costumes. Like you want any of it, you can take it from here. And if you want to upload your image, you can upload it from here. I'm gonna upload an image. So first you are going to fill this, and then you can choose your own character. Here I have Eid al-Fitr. These are there, and here is lanterns. If you want lanterns over there, I am choosing lanterns. Here. Now we can choose here lanterns over here. So this is very small, we want it to show up here. So we are going to sprites, and this is set size to. Let's write 300. Now this is still small. We can write 350. Now it is right. Now we are going to click it here. Now we can set its position here. Now we want another sprite, any. So we are going to duplicate this block. Put it over here. From here, go to costumes. I want to upload another image. Upload image. From here, I want to take this one. Let's go and take it. So here we have, it has a background. So we don't want that. So we will go to costumes, again. Then we are going to add costume. You can first you have to remove its background, then, and it has to be smaller than it has to be 100 kilobytes or less than 100 kilobytes. So here I removed its background. You can remove its background from here. I am going to Google over here. Background remover free. Here remove.bg. You are going to click this website. If you can remove your background from any website you want. Here is you are going to upload image from here, and then it will remove it, and then here will be written download, and you can download it then. So let's get back to our project. Now let's go to code. Here now we have a background removed sprite. Now we can set it over here and its size as well. Over here, yes. And what else is in sprites? Let's see. This fluttering thing, you won't like it. It will be like shaking. See, now it's shaking. So we don't want it. So we can remove this. Now this is our code. Let's check. Let's see spring. This is green, it doesn't suit it. Autumn. Autumn is right. Now let's run the project. Now this is the project for today. So bye bye.